The easiest and most factory-looking way to get some extra underseat storage for your F-150 is with this Duha underseat storage unit. Starting the install, we need to remove 2 factory bolts on the driver's side under the rear seat in the backing panel. These 2 bolts will be replaced with new hardware that Duha supplies to hold in the storage unit. Once you slide in the Duha unit, line up the holes in the storage unit with the 2 you just removed from the truck. Using the new bolt, washer, and nut, hand tighten the 2 bolts to hold the Duha in place, and that's it. The Duha is ready to go and fits under the rear seat of your F-150 perfectly. Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself.